Now we are trying to change the color of this in the body part. First of all, you must use font tag for this purpose, and let's type something. This is the font tag, and let's save it, and you can see this is the font tag. Now I need this in a new line, so memorize how to use this in the next time. So I'll put a br tag, save, and now you can see it is in a new line. This is font tag. I want more space, so I'll put more BRs. It is something very simple, and you can see it is far away from the earlier parts. Okay, now let's change the color of this font. Right. So you must use color keyword here, equals. I need the color as red, so I'll save it, and now you can see the color has changed into red. I think you can see this. The color is changed into red. Oh, I need this in green. So, and you can see the color has changed into green. If you want to pick a color as earlier, you can select a color. I'll select a light green color like this, and I will copy this code, copy the color code, and I'll paste it in this position. Don't forget to put a hash in front of the code. And now let's save, and you can see the color has changed. The color has changed into the color which I have picked. So I need some more customizations in my fonts. I can use the size keyword, and I can change the size of the code. Now I need size of 5. Now I'll go to this one, and you can see the color is already, we have changed the color already, and now the size has also changed. If I want a size of 10, I save it. Now let's see, it has increased his size and had become 10. It is something really cool. And 3, I'll put 3 here, and now you can see. Okay, if you like to change the font of this part, you can see almost all the fonts are equal. Now we can change the font of this tag. You can see almost all the fonts are equal, except this is a code. It normally used another font because it tried to implement it as a coding line. So let's change this font into another one. You can use the face keyword here, and you can change the font name. I'll pick a font name by word app, and let's move and pick a font here. I need a font as this, and I'll copy the name of this font and I'll save it here. Now let's see. You can see the font has changed. I think now you are thorough with the knowledge to change the color, sizes and the type of fonts.